Absolute early bird break 29.96. Good luck. Dice roll 7 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Jags up top. Washington at the bottom. 7 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Matt Nutzman up top. Nate Irwin at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Jags didn't sort. They're at the top. Everybody else did. Good luck, everybody. 8 p.m. Absolute Bird. Let's do it. What's up, Toomey? Good luck, boys. Absolute Bird. Let's do it. First break of the night. Let's hit some monsters. Let's do it. Good luck. First up, Stefon Diggs for the Bills on the base. Jair Alexander for the Packers. Trey McBride to 275 for the Cardinals on the rookie. Cardinals going to Josh Cox. A whole bunch of stuff. I've got iMac on the screen right now to me. 3 out of 99 Taekwon on the RPA. Got a lot of breaks going tonight to me. Actually had to pull the rest of the bundles. I already added all those spots back to the site. We sold 6 bundles tonight. Been trying to fill them for the last hour or two. To 75, John Lynch. But as soon as this breaks over to me, I'll show you what's on the screen. Kadarius Toney on the base for the Giants. Mike Evans for the Buccaneers. Justin Jefferson, that's sweet. 12 out of 99, Minnesota, and Mike Whitaker. There you go, Mike. It's a sweet card. A little Jay Jetta action. 12 out of 99 on the Jefferson. Jeremy Ruckert to 100 on the auto for the Jets. Jets going to Adam Pastella. Devin McCourty to 50 for the Patriots. Last pack, good luck. Devontae Smith on the base. Michael Pittman Jr. For the Chiefs, Alex Smith to 49. Chiefs going to Seth Elkert. There you go, Seth. It's a sweet pull. Jeff George and Andre Rison to 199 on the duel for the Falcons. Going to Matt Dougherty. There you go, Matt. Mac Jones to 75 on the orange for the Patriots. Let's recap it. We got Mac, George, and Andre Rison, Alex Smith, McCourty, Rucker, Jay Jetta, John Lynch, Tyquan Thornton, and Trey McBride. That's the break. Thanks for the fill.